Abongwe put Vicky in her place. So what business that she has in Msalekos matter? I'm starting to believe that Vicky indeed she is a bad influencer to Vuyokazi. Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, and comment. Is again is September season 2 episode 12. People are really praising for Abongwe, saying that Abongwe she is really indeed the real one. So while Usne was complaining about her siblings, saying that her siblings were pretending they don't like it, Vicky, who is Vuyokazi's best friend, decided to involve herself in Museleko's matter. Abongo was like, not this time. Abongo went on to say that akene uthule manje sekukhuluma bakamseleko. First of all, Vicky, she is an actor. She came there because of Vuyokazi. Just because you are involved in Vuyokazi and Pumelo's relationship, it doesn't mean that you are part of the Mseleko's family. Besides that, Vuyokazi, she's not even the sister-in-law. You're not even Vuyokazi's family. You're just a friend. So people are really saying that Vuyokazi, Vicky, Papa should have just kept quiet and allow the Mselekos to solve their issues, because the problem there has nothing to do with Mpumelelo. Has to do with Ne and her other siblings, with Abongwe, Mpilo, Lwandle, and Mpumelelo. So she must not involve herself just because Vuyokazi allowed her, because Vuyokazi and Mpumelelo allow her to be part of, to be, I don't know, maybe to be the lawyer in the relationship. It doesn't mean that she will also be part of sorting the Msalekos issue. She did also, Vicky, she did reveal that it was Mpumelelo. Mpumelelo wanted her to be a girlfriend, wanted her to help Vuyokazi. So it was a lot that is going on between them. No wonder what is that. I think Vicky, she's that one friend that, you know what, whenever you're in a relationship, she will really involve herself 100%. It is like she is dating them. It was like as if she is dating Pumelelo, the way she was talking about their relationship with Mpumelelo. But Abang was like, not in this matter. This matter has nothing to do with you. You might involve yourself in Shendi Yaga Mpumelelo and Vuyokazi, not this one. Anyway, guys, the people are really praising Abong, saying that Abonga, she's really a real one, and if Musamsaleka wished to have a son, Abonga would have been the firstborn. Like Abonga, she has those qualities to be a firstborn. You know what? She's just say one words and just to keep quiet. She does not like drama. She's not kind of kids, honey. Anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe.